Hey everyone, I'll show you why Instagram memory is not showing. So let's fix that. So the first thing you need to know is that Instagram memories usually depends on your archive stories. If your story archive is turned off, Instagram has no past content to show you as memories. To check this, open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three lines in the top corner. After that, go to archive. Next, click the three dots at the top. Click on Settings. Make sure the option that says Save Story to Archive is enabled. If it's turned off, Instagram may not have saved stories to generate memories. So, what you need to do is to enable Save Story to Archive. So, just toggle it on, just like so. Now, the second fix is to update the Instagram app. So, close Instagram app and go to App Store or Play Store. Now, click on the search bar and search for Instagram. Open it. So if you see an update button, tap on that. And once the app is fully updated, open it again and check if memories has returned. So another thing you should do is clear Instagram cache. Too much temporary data can stop certain features from loading properly. So if you're using Android, go to your phone settings, then apps, choose Instagram, then tap on storage and select clear cache. If you're an iPhone, the easiest method is to uninstall Instagram and reinstall it again. So to uninstall it, you can just press and hold the app, tap on remove app, and tap on delete app, and confirm the action. Now once uninstalled, you can go to App Store and install it again. Once installed, open it and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.